That's not the one yet.
Well, I'm working up the line instead of working down like everybody else.
There we go.
You hit it?
Well, get the other one. Right, there you go. 2 for 2.
That's it. She's dry.
That's it. Oh, that's it. All right. Can you zoom it in? Drop the mic. Drop
Yeah, right here.
too, like.
Hey, you going all the way in?
I can't because it start all the way back.
Okay.
So I'm going like a little bit.
What magnification?
3 to 14.
Ah.
There you go.
Rack it again.
Rack it again. You hit that one.
There we go.
There you go. Another one. I think a 4 for 4.
Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of DJ's Gun Show. We out here.
4 for 4. Save the target for the other one. The other one you gotta save a target for. That's it.
She dry.
You gotta get the video.
What?
How you focus it?
Hmm?
It's blurry. How you focus it?
Hold up, let me do it for you. Where's everybody moving?
Oh, I'm scared. Nah, you cool, bro. Hit it? Yep.
Here, one more.
Oh, okay. When you see, you don't even press the trigger. You just look at it and then shoot.
Okay, just.
You put it right
No,
here?
just drop it in. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah.
Hit it? Yep.
All right, go ahead, bro.
See what I'm working with, man.
Yeah, buddy. I forgot that baby. I shot up in a minute. So
now how far can this go? Like do I aim at the all the way down, right?
it's 0 to 100. Yeah.
I need this to come back a little bit more.
It's not gonna come back. Yeah. Oh no, you can put your face right on this though. That's the yeah. To block the light. You gotta charge it first. Pull back hard.
Yo, we shooting this too.
Trigger not as sensitive, but she's sensitive enough.
Every time you say, yo, give my money. Can you get his money? That's twice in a row. Yeah, we can see it. And we shooting this joint right here.
Rack it again, play. Yeah.
I hit that shit. That is not. I like this one the best only because
Every time.
Oh, so you can get me real quick?
Look, give me a watch. You can see what I'm talking about. Every
shit.
joint got something hot. I got you, bro.
Yep.
Scoop retarded.
Oh, this joint nice.
Rack it again. Yeah.
Yeah, I like these sauce.
And that trigger nasty.
Yeah.
That trigger's like the same one as the other one.
Well, that's Ruger factory trigger.
You gotta back it up again. Yo, I need some shit.
Yeah. How much was the scope, huh?
That one is not that expensive. The scope, that's like $800.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the second best one, I think.
Okay.
Dang, he gonna shoulder fire that bitch.
Ready?
Yep.
Easy.
Easy.
All right, so I put on the weights on there, see if it mitigates some of that recoil. I'll be going again. You're gonna try 2 more play with the weights on, see if you like it better with the weights.
I ain't shoot this all day.
Huh?
I ain't shoot this all day.
You just shot that. You said you didn't like it.
I ain't shoot this all day.
But you shot it before.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
Better?
Yep. Way
Okay.
better.
Because she didn't move at all. She just moved straight back this time. Yeah.
That's better.
You didn't like it the last time. It moves around too much. So
Now, this joint with the weight is
it got the weight on it now. Remember to drop that bolt.
I got you. I'm just trying to see what I'm.
Yeah, I got you.
that shit don't move either.
Is this your bandana?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, see what
All right, I'm recording whenever you're ready.
the thing is to stay right there.
Right above that 4, right?
Yep, like a little bit to the left of it.
That's it.
Put your elbow on the table. Yeah. Less movement.
You on his way already over here or what?
I gotta rank it again, right?
That's a gas gun. It was only 2.
A little bit over, but you hit something.
But how it feel?
I think it's we gotta lower something on it or like raise it or something.
Yeah,
I was
because
directly on that jump.
okay, and it drop a little lower.
He said it went above.
Yeah, it went above.
It should have went lower.
It should have?
I was
Yeah,
directly on
because
it.
it was heavier grain. But how it feel this time with the weights
Oh,
on
yeah.
it?
That joint was that
So-
joint with the weight.
So it moved back up the line.
I like it.
How much is that weight?
We got Javi here. Now he's shooting the 22. So go ahead, bro.
Ready?
Whenever you. Got one in the head, right?
Yeah.
Same thing for the clays.
That's one. Yes.
All right, bro. Save some for your homies and your brother.
I missed that one. I missed the last 2.
Oh shoot.
Did you see how that jump?
Yeah, that joint, I like this
That
one.
shit is
I
nasty.
like that one better. What the other one at? That
Did you
I
hit?
was supposed to do 2, but
Nah, it's cool. I only got 2 boxes of ammo, but I gotta get some video. I got some video with the camera on there to see
I
how.
see that you did get that. I see
Yeah,
on your
yeah. So
video.
that's what I came out today to do. I ain't get to my actual work yet. I'm just fooling around right now.
Yeah. Don't go sideways, bro. You're not going sideways. nice, right?
No, press it.
Fuck.
So what is it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, baby.
But whenever you're ready for me to build it something nice, you know what I mean? Just holler at your boy.
Oh, Mr. DJ.
Oh, he over there. The trigger until you're absolutely ready. Throw it on one of them clays back there.
That's the 300?
Yeah, Remy's up. Yeah. The Remington 600 shooting 300 Winchester Magnum. Yeah, so she empty. We only put one in there. Wait, you only gonna take one?
Put them on. I'm making a domino stuff.
Oh, I reload these. Yeah. Okay, push it down. Yeah, good. All right. Don't touch that trigger till you're ready, bro. So yeah.
That thing is like that.
Keep your finger off the trigger. Make sure she tighten your
I
shoulder.
literally did that with that.
Uh,
With that only.
yeah.
I didn't have to put my whole finger on it.
You aiming down too low. So,
Yeah.
yeah. Go out to one of them.
I'm not comfortable though. Something off.
Just get your barrel higher so that we can get all the way out to the.
Clay, whatever Clay birdie up there, you can get it. I ain't gonna hit the birdie. Oh, that shit's tighter, bro.
See the clay birds?
Yeah, I see him. I'm just trying to find one that's not popped.
Okay. Shoot it a small piece.
Slow down.
Now look at the camera and tell them what you think.
These ain't got no battery. That shit, everything went numb.
Whenever you're ready. Just go for one of the clays. Any piece of clay you see. Hold up. What's your name again? Jose. Just take that arm and hold it. Just yeah. No, hold on to this. And push it into your body so you can regulate wherever you want it. Yeah. Move this out your way. Sorry. Left-handed people, it's on the wrong side. There we go. How she shoot, Clay?
I like this a whole lot. Look at all them guns on the. Because the iron sights is.
Yeah, so you can co-witness. So that's the same thing with the Glock 19X.
Yes.
Yeah.
You gotta have $2 cash.
I'm all talking and not paying attention. Alright, bro, she empty anyway. I gotta save some ammo for the video. How she feel though, Jose? Cool.
What's going on? DJ's Gun Show. Follow him if you're not subscribed yet. What are you doing? Come on. Show some support. Let's go.
I wanna go see my range. I wanna go see what I hit.
Oh. He wasn't expecting that. It looks small. It looks small, but she packs a punch. Huh? Yeah. Send me some though. I gotta do a video. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.